Today's show is to you by Kellogg's. Hey guys, I'm Early Bird. Welcome to the show. Andy, wake up! Don't mind Andy, he's a sour gator. Yes, you are! Anyways, back to the show. I can't wait for this show to become popular. Don't worry, folks. Andy's about to get what he needs. Andy, be quiet! Thank you for apologizing, Andy. Okay, that's it. Andy, you have 10 seconds to run. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get over here, sour gator! Don't treat a woman like that, Andy. Anyways, I'm going to see Tony Stark to get me fixed for next episode. For all the follow watchers, see you later. And also sub to Dino the Macy's Parade fan. Roll the credits.